Hello everybody, welcome back. So I am filming this video so late. I have whacked on a face of makeup for this video, which recently I haven't been doing, but quite frankly I wanted to feel a bit more human. I've got my colleague on FaceTime who can hear everything I'm saying, but I can't hear her side of things, so you can have the best quality possible, but she's just chilling, oblivious I'm talking about her. I've shown her in some vlogs, so if you want to see some recent vlogmases, you'll see her. I've got my Christmas bunting back. I thought, you know what, this video deserves the bunting. So yeah, I've had a lot of questions about what eyeshadow palette I used to create this look. Sorry about my nails in advance, I'm getting them done tomorrow. Back onto the eye look, I use the I Heart Revolution Nudes Mini Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette. I got it for my mum for Christmas because she really liked it and I really love it. So, moving on, this whole video is centered around something extremely exciting. I am buzzing. It is in collaboration with Malika because she's one of my closest friends and we've done yet another Christmas swap. It's our 3rd year of friendship. That is crazy to me. I don't know about anyone else. I know me and her were talking about it so much when we were in London. Like, I was thinking, how have you put up with me for 3 years? But time has flown by and Malika sent me my package and the bottom present is my Christmas present. So yeah, my reactions in the past have been timeless. I'll link all of my swap unboxings down below. My first one was absolutely hilarious because it was my first ever swap I've done. I'll also link my swap with Libby in the description as well because I've done one of those and that was really exciting because it was my first swap with her. But without further ado, let's get on. I said to Dawn, who I'm on FaceTime to, that she can listen in on FaceTime and she was very excited about it. So let's just see. So I open it up. Oh, she was very proud of herself that she did a Christmas card, so I'm very excited to see this. But she's got the pink tissue paper, love it. Let's read the card. Oh, I love that, that's really cute. Aww. I've had like a bit of a tear up to Dawn on FaceTime, so I'm going to try and not cry again. I'm a very emotional person, if you didn't know. I love that. I don't really know what to write because I never write cards, but I hope you like your swap gifts. I can't wait to see your reactions. Love it. Thank you, Malika. I love that. That is so cute. I'm keeping that. So, inside, oh, I see a candy cane. Is that what I think it is? I was literally saying to my mum I needed one of these. Dawn's like, what is it? What is it? What is it? It's a bloody pop socket. My Saffron Barker one broke. I bloody love you, Malika. I really do. And it's got silver and it's sparkly. I can put that on my case. Oh, thank you so much. And the candy cane. I was on the sofa to my mum going, I need a new pop socket. My pop socket from my Saffron Barker is broke. I need a new one. Yay! This is what's inside, so I'm going to get on into it. So we've got 2 things here. Ooh, these are the tissue paper things. I think they're Body Shop. They are Body Shop. Oh, yay! Oh, this is the mango body butter. I've got a really old one that I can chuck. And this is the decent size. This is the size that I can deal with. The huge tubs I never get through. Oh, that's coming with me to my grandma's for Christmas. Yum. Thank you, Malika. I love you so very, very much. I just love the mango scent, for anyone wondering. Oh, what's this? It's another mango product. It is the Mango Body Scrub, which once again I've had a couple of times before, and I really need to get into proper shower products. Oh, it just smells delicious. I could literally just go and eat it, which I won't because that's just gross and very animalistic, but I'm so happy about these 2 things. Ooh, yay! I have had these before. They're the Real Techniques mini eye sponges. I've had these before and they are perfect for concealer, but I have never got round to getting them again. These are amazing. So now I don't have to use my face sponge for under my eyes. Thank you. I love these. These are so practical but amazing and a staple. So thank you very much. It's a tissue paper present. They're sweets. She knows me too well. Oh, nerds. I haven't had nerds before, have I? I don't know. Also, we have got Lemonade Wild Cherry and Seriously Strawberry. They are the cutest little packets ever, and I think me and Mum could probably tell. I love Dawn's. So yeah, me and Mum can share these, and we can have our reactions in a Christmas vlogmas. Can't wait for the vlogs to come. I really can't. Oh, I'm so excited to try those. Thank you very much. Oh, what's this? I don't know. I love feeling up presents. I'm trying to make it easier for myself this year. Okay, what are you? Have I just ruined the present? I haven't. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. Oh, and it's pink. Oh. Malika, you know me too well. God, I'm this predictable. Chocolate makes me happy. You could just fill a box full of chocolate and I'd be your best friend forever. Here, it seems to be our ritual to get lip balms for each other, and I got her quite a few. So if I'm right, I think these are going to be baby lips, because she's really got me addicted. That girl's got me hooked. Ooh, cherry me. Well, oh, I love that colour. It's perfect when I do my makeup. Love it. Thank you. Oh, this one's quite easy to get into. I love the wrapping paper, by the way, Malica. Your wrapping, as always, is amazing. Yeah. So I could just tell by the way these are wrapped. I can never wrap these sort of presents. So, Malica, you need to give me lessons. This is just the sort of hydrate one. Love that. It's clear. Always need a clear lip balm. She's really got me into lip balm. And I have really dried lips, so... Ooh. This is a sport one. Not that I'm very sporty, but if I have a sport lip balm, does that make people think I'm sporty? Who knows? But it's Seize the Blue. Does that mean it's a blue lip balm? That'd be really cool if it is. Right, thank you, Malika. 3 new baby lips to add to my collection. Very excited to test these out. So I just love baby lips. They're really good. I don't really buy them for myself unless I see them in the pound shop or something. Because I'm such a tight ass, you know. But I love receiving them in our swaps because they're hard. Okay. Dawn's like, what is it? I don't know. What is this? Ooh. Oh my goodness. I am so happy. It's the Mango Body Shop bar of soap. Oh, you have spoilt me with mango stuff. Oh, because funny story, they had a massive sale on in Body Shop, like really good offers. So they're 40% off their single products. That's great. That's amazing. Save yourself some money on some great things and very ethical products too. I picked up a strawberry bar of soap for Malica actually, which she's already opened by the time she sees this, so no spoilers are given. And then they said 40% off, so I thought, okay, great, I'll buy us another bar of mango soap. I didn't buy myself a bar of mango soap, I bought myself a bar of Satsuma, which Malika's also made the mistake of doing, so I've finally got a bar of mango soap back in our lives. We've already got the Satsuma bar of soap going, so this will be up next, but oh, thank you. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's Lush. Oh, what is this? What is it? It's the Butter Bear. I haven't had a chance to go into Lush. I will be going in on Christmas Eve to stock myself for the pamper night. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, I always love buying a good couple of the Butter Bears because they are one of the cheaper things, and also they're probably one of my favourite Christmas releases. So they do the Butterball, if you didn't know, and they release it in bear form for Christmas. Thank you. I don't know how to take this. I don't know if she's trying to tell me I stink or... I don't know, but I'm grateful because I'll use them. Thing is with Malika, I love her to pieces, but her wrapping is so secure, no one could get into them. What is this? I know what these are because I was with her when she bought them. I am so excited. Yes, 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 I am. Oh, there's some more Spectrum brushes. Now, if you didn't know, me and Malika, when we meet up, always go to Carnaby Street now. And we always go to Spectrum brush shop. And I always buy at least like 6 brushes when I'm there. I've got quite a few of them now. And she was looking for one that she knew I wanted or something. And she was waiting till it was in stock and it just didn't get in stock. So I chose 2 brushes and she got them for me. She's so generous of her. I'm so grateful. So I've got another one of their like pink, blue and purple brushes. So excited to use that as like a smudger. I like these sort of brushes. And then this one, which is a similar one that I got my mum for Christmas, but it's darker and I don't have any of these brushes and I think they're really cool and they won't look so dirty either is my thinking, so I can get away with not cleaning them that often. I'm saying that like I clean my brushes on the regular, which I don't, which is really disgusting, which is probably why I break out so much. But anyway, thank you Malika. Love them. Okay, I don't know what these are. Well, I do know what these are even, but I'm really excited about them because you can just tell by the shape. I'm really excited. Oh no, I don't know what these are actually. Oh, I don't know what these are. What is this? Hang on. Oh, Malica. Oh, Malica. You always smash it. You really do. Oh my goodness me. And I thought, thing is guys, never assume you know what presents are just because they look like what I thought they were Body Shop hand creams. They're not Body Shop hand creams. To me, there's something a bit more special than that, and I blooming love the packaging. Ted Baker body wash and body lotion. Seriously, Malika, I don't know whether you're trying to tell me I stink or something, but I don't care. I'm so grateful. Look at the packaging on those. It's just so pretty and cute. My grandma would love it because of the butterflies. Let's smell it. Oh, that is nice. That smells really, really good. Oh, and just the packaging that I saw making onto my Instagram. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. I don't think I've ever tried any Ted Baker body stuff actually. Pop socket. I'm buzzing about all of this to be honest. Now this is the last thing because she said the bottom gift is my Christmas present and it's got her logo. Definitely go check out her home business, which is Tiny Hamster Paws. Check out all her Instagrams, which I'll put in the description because she's just lovely. But that's my main Christmas present, so I'm not going to open that obviously. But that makes it a bit more obvious because she stuck her logo sticker on it. This is the last thing. What could it be? Oh, I'm so happy. It's makeup. You should either buy me a box of makeup or a box of chocolates and I'll be your best friend forever. Or a box of Spectrum brushes. It is a Revolution Flawless Foils in rose gold. I've got Rebound and Rebound is stunning. You have to build it up, but it is so gorgeous. The new formulation of these is incredible. Now this is a lot more pinky tone than I had imagined, but I can work with it. I'm so excited. I wouldn't necessarily say that's rose gold actually, but I don't care. I'm so grateful. Look at that. Do you get what I mean? I don't think that's rose gold. Rose gold I imagine is sort of like, where have I put them? Rose gold to me is sort of like this, not this colour. However, I am super excited to try that out. Oh my god. Thank you so much, and I'm not going to open this, although I'm very excited to see what it is. I don't have long to wait, but honestly, Malika, thank you so much. I'm kind of wishing I had got a thumbnail with the box open with all the products wrapped up inside. However, that's okay because I was just too excited. But honestly, I love every single thing you've got me. I can't wait to open my Christmas present. As I said, I'll have her video linked in the description when she's got them up, and all my previous swaps with her in the description because they were just, my reactions were priceless. Who knows, maybe this has topped them, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Click this, no, I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me. Definitely stay tuned for all my Christmas content. I've got so much. The next couple of days I've got like 2 uploads a day. It's a bit mental, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I've now got to wrap for like an hour and a half. I don't think Dawn's going to stay awake for me to wrap, quite frankly. I'm hoping she'll just like stick around for half an hour. I might have to bribe her with something. Well, I am doing a makeup declutter, which I've got to film at some point. So I'm giving her most of that makeup, so that will be her incentive just to keep me sane while wrapping. So I've got to wrap my mum's presents, and she's got quite a few. And because my mum obviously can't help me wrap those because they're her presents, it's going to take me a lot longer. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going to stop rambling, and I will see you in the next Vlogmas or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.